What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rich, coming back with another video. This is just how to do the Crackle tune, because I had a couple people asking me how to do it on the comment section, so it's gonna be a quick little video showing you how to do it. Easy ass steps. All you need is get a Flashpro, you know, have a laptop. So guys, I'm gonna show you close up how to do the Crackle tune real quick. So you go under ignition low, the first option. Then how I have it set is from 2000 RPMs to 6000 RPMs is when it's possible to do the snack crackle pops. How you do it is you set it to -10. I'm gonna show you it's 40, you know, that's the original whatever. But you set it to -10 on all 5 tabs, 0 degrees, 10 degrees, 25, 40, and 50. You know, I have it set to -10, and that's how you do the poppity pops. Another little pointer under throttle. Turn off your throttle dampening and your rev hang. So you want to have that not checked, you know, empty, so it could prevent some rev hangs. Under VTEC, turn off 0 VTEC upon diesel fuel cut. Then you set it to 25 cut angle, and that just helps with the throttle not killing to 0, prevents bogging. Shout out to Rasian on YouTube, and yeah, that's about it. Main part you guys seen. All you do left is you go and save it, save as to whatever you want to. So, you know, obviously you want to set it to Crackle tune. Then you go to Flashpro, just upload it, let it do its thing. Now it's uploaded and you're good to go. Alright guys, easy as that. That's how you do the Crackle tune. Yeah, it's really nothing to it. You just gotta set the degrees to -10. If you guys want a shirt, simple wrist shirt, support me. $15 plus shipping if needed. Let me know, guys. Hit me up on IG. All the socials are in the bio. Drop a thumbs up. We're growing a lot lately, pretty awesome, and I appreciate you guys. I have some things to announce pretty soon. I'm just kind of waiting on some cues. So yeah, thanks for all the support, guys. Drop a thumbs up, drop some comments, and cop a shirt. Peace out.